The idea of life on the moon has engaged mankind's imagination for centuries. On July 20th, 1969, this once absurd dream became a reality when Neil Armstrong made his giant leap for mankind. Many lunar missions have followed, and the exploration of neighboring planets has begun. But the idea of sustaining life in these environments has remained a distant fantasy, until now.
The reason we're going back to the moon is to have a proven ground for exploration beyond the moon and beyond Mars and into the solar system. So NASA has set up a lunar architecture team that involves all of our NASA centers, and they come together to decide what that infrastructure on the lunar surface looks like. A common scenario is to take a module and land it at the South Pole where there's almost continuous light, and then that would be your living habitat. And then also what will be put on the lunar surface are vehicles and assets to support those modules that you live in and you work in. Now, when it comes to building this outpost, there are several steps that you have to take, and the steps are very similar to when you build a small city on Earth. You will be building roads, we will be digging and trenching for cables.
That's why NASA turned to Caterpillar, the leader in land development technology. NASA and Caterpillar are working together to develop a solution that will allow NASA to control the machines from the safety of Earth while the machines brave the moon's harsh climate.
Right now we have developed a multi-terrain loader 287C. It's a telerobotic machine, and the plan is to go from a remote stage to autonomous stage.
The algorithms that do the leveling and the trenching are going to be very similar to what we use on the lunar surface.
What we are trying to do here is to do all the development on the multi-terrain loader platform. And then what we'll do, just transfer the technology from our machine to the NASA rover.
The NASA-Caterpillar partnership is laying the groundwork that may not only lead to sustainable life on the moon, but will open the door to a world of possibilities for space exploration.
From the Apollo years to now, these are the baby steps that we're taking to make that possible for generations to come.